Hi, so we are going to do pumpkin peel facial today, which is a medicated facial, and it has natural pumpkin peel extract, which is rich in vitamin A, beta carotene, potassium and zinc, which clears the skin and improves the tone and texture of the skin. So it's a 5-step medifacial. So first we'll be cleansing her skin, then we'll be applying a pumpkin peel mask. We'll keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, neutralize it with a green tea neutralizer. Then we'll be applying a vitamin C solution. We'll be absorbing it with electroporation machine. Then there are 2 masks in this. One is the dry collagen mask and one is the marine peel off collagen mask. So this is a no downtime procedure. It's a great way of rejuvenating your skin as it deeply exfoliates the skin and improve the tone and texture. So patient just have to apply a sunscreen and there is no redness, nothing on the skin. So this is a no downtime procedure.
Hi, I'm Shantishri and I have been coming to Designer Bodies for a couple of years now. The treatments here are really professionally carried out. The staff is super professional. They are very helpful. I've had an amazing time and an amazing experience doing the facials here. Great treatments, and thank you so much, Dr. Parag Telang. Thank you.